Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to install Microsoft Launcher on the Poco C75. Now to do that, just open the Play Store. Now from here just search Microsoft Launcher. Now from here just install this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Tap on Open. Now from here just tap on Get Started. Now from here just grant this app these permissions. Now from here tap on Continue. Now from here tap on Skip. Now from here tap on Not Now. Now just tap on Let's Go and tap on Set as Default. Now from here choose the Microsoft Launcher app. Now tap on Set as Default. Now from here just swipe from the left to the right. Now tap on Continue. Now from here select Microsoft Launcher. Now from here just select Always. Now from here just go to your home screen. Now as you can see, this is how you can install the Microsoft Launcher on the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.